Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 2.1 about wage and salary. So here we have kind of these different topics here. So wage and salary and monthly and semi-monthly and all that stuff. So wage is, let's just write that down. I didn't actually write down text. So wage is the amount per hour. Okay, whereas salary is the amount per year. Generally speaking, if it's a more professional job, it'll be salary based, and if it is a lower end job, it'll be wage based. But that is not always the case. Some very professional people, like lawyers, will charge per hour however much they need to get done. So it depends on the job in general, but engineers get paid a salary, usually. Nurses will get paid a salary, usually. Teachers will get paid a salary. So wage and salary. Salary is per year, wage is per hour. So there's a whole bunch of information here for you guys to just remember. So I'll just mention these. Semi-monthly means twice a month. Bi-weekly means every 2 weeks. And here are a couple things that are equal. 365 days is the same as 52 weeks, which is the same as 12 months, which is the same as 1 year. 7 days is 1 week. Everybody should know that. 24 hours. Oh, I didn't actually write hours here. Let's fix that. Hours is 1 day, and most people work 40 hours per week. All right, with that in mind, let's get started on this question here. Jody was hired to be the teller at a local movie theater. Her annual salary will be, so she's doing it permanently. This is a permanent job here. Annual salary will be $37,378. Would she earn more money each pay period if she was paid semi-monthly or bi-weekly? Well, this is an interesting question. So let's think about it in terms of the two things. So semi-monthly, let's do this one in red. So semi-monthly means twice per month. Well, how many months per year? Here we told you that it was 12 months per year. So 12 times by 2 per month equals 24 payment periods. 24 payments. All right. Whereas bi-weekly is going to be very similar because most months have almost or have just a little bit over 4 weeks. So it's going to be very similar. But bi-weekly, remember that there are 52 weeks a year. And bi-weekly is every 2 weeks. So once per 2 weeks. Right? So we're going to say 52 weeks divided by 2 equals, and now we end up with 26 payments. All right, so, well, which one's going to have more money? Well, it's kind of already at this point going to be an obvious statement, whereas the one with the less payments is going to be more per payment. The one with more payments is going to be less per payment because it's the same salary, the same cost. So let's just prove that by actually trying out our values. So 37,378 divided by 26. What's that going to equal? 37, let's type that into my calculator. 378 divided by 26 equals 1,437 and 62 cents. It rounds up. Whereas 37378 divided by 24. So, I need to write that in red. 378 divided by 24 equals 1,500 or 1,557.42. So the one with the less payments gives you more per payment. All right, so here's a question. If Adam makes $23.65 per hour, how much does he make in a year working full-time? Okay, so this is changing from from wage to salary. Okay, so this is where this 40 hours per week is important. Excuse me. So a normal work week has 40 hours in it. Okay, that's per week. Okay, if he makes $23 per hour, how much does he make per week is the first question, right? So 23.65 times by 40 will tell us how much per week. All right, so this person almost makes $1,000 per week. That's actually a pretty good gig at a movie theater. Here in Alberta, generally speaking, I think $500 would be about minimum wage. But anyway, so that's per week. That's a pretty darn good gig. So let's move on from there. So that's per week. Well, how many weeks per year? Well, we already said there are 52 weeks per year, right? So 52 weeks per year. And if it helps, you can use the method from last unit, where you always go, what do I want to know, and what do I know, right? So this is per week. Whoopsies. Whoops. I want to know how much does the person make in 52 weeks, right? So I just want to show that we can use our previous unit on this. And we can write down exactly the same idea here. 946 per 1 week. And so taking this one over, we have to multiply it on both sides to get it over, right? So 52 times by 52. And so we'd be left with x is 946 divided by 52. So 946 divided by 52 is 18.19. Nope, that's wrong. I said times by 52. What am I dividing by for? That makes no sense. Okay, I don't know why I was dividing. See? It's important to actually read your own work. I was like, that's definitely not what the question was asking. Okay, so here you go. So how much is he making per year? Well, 49,000. That's a pretty good job. Okay, a lot more than the local movie theater person above. All right, I hope this video helps you understand wage and salary a little bit better, and good luck.